Hi beautiful people, so we're back again with a new video. So today's video is about face massage. Face massage is very important for our day-to-day life. It firms your skin, it uplifts your skin and makes your skin glow and youthful. For a massage, you can either take 3 minutes or can take 15 to 20 minutes. It all depends upon you. It's all about your hands and your skin. You have to work together to have a glow and youthful skin. Whenever you're using oil, always use a plant oil, not a synthetic oil, so that your skin can glow from within and it doesn't harm your skin at all. So to start with the massage, I'm going to use a toner. So I'm using Kama Ayurveda's Mogra water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tone my skin so that the moisture in my skin, it gets locked. So just damp your cotton pad and apply it all over your skin. For the oil here, I'm going to use Kama Ayurveda's neem oil, which is very good for my skin. Right now I'm having some acne on my forehead. So I have mixed two oils, that is coconut oil and neem oil together to have a face massage and also so that I can get rid of my acne. It is very good for your skin, so you must try it. So first I'll just apply the oil all over my face and my neck. So I have applied oil on my face and on my neck. So I'll start with drainage of lymphatic tissues. So here we have lymphatic tissue. So you have to drain out this lymphatic tissue and you have to massage it in a circular motion so that you can have a blood circulation and it stimulates your blood circulation. Put both the thumbs under your chin and apply pressure till your jawline. You can do it for 9 to 10 times. Now open your palm and again put it under your chin. Push it upwards. Hold it there for a few seconds. Then again repeat the process. It will help you out in reducing your double chin and also to have a very nice jawline. We usually start to get fine lines over here. So to have a plumpy lips and also to have a blood circulation around your lips, you have to massage it in a circular motion. Now for your cheeks, to have a blushy pink cheeks, you have to massage upwards. And on another side. Now with your knuckles, you have to massage in circular motion and then hold it up. Now for our under eyes, it is said that our ring finger, it always have the lightest of pressure in our hand. So what you have to do is you have to use a ring finger under your eyes and drain out. Drain out. And for eyebrows, what you have to do is you can lift up your eyebrows, hold it there and then down. Hold it there and then down. This entire area, which is our T-zone, it tends to get more wrinkles and this area tends to get more dry. So what you have to do is you have to take your skin upwards and go till eyebrows, till your hairline. Starting from your lips, going till your eyebrows, and then your hairline. For this part, which when we get older, we tend to get fine lines, wrinkles. So to prevent that, you have to zigzag and massage this area in a zigzag motion. On the left side too. So for your forehead, you have to use this part of your hand and you have to put it center of your forehead. Go to your right. Again for a few times. Do the same for the left side also. And as we did it on the sides of our eyes, we have to do it on our forehead too. That would be in a zigzag motion. We have to massage our forehead too. And the criss-cross motion for the few times. Then again open your palms, put it in the center of your face, push it outwards and hold it there. Repeat the process. While doing my facial massage, I also like to pinch my face, which actually feels nice, and it also helps my blood circulation to flow all over the face muscles. So that is the pinching method. So what you have to do is you have to pinch your face. And to end up our massage, we have to make sure that the blood flows, and we have to massage it in our hairline too. The muscles of our face, the lymphatic tissues, they all are connected. They all are interrelated to each other. So it is very important that the blood flows into our head, face and neck, so to get that red, glowy and youthful skin. I hope you guys liked my video. Thank you for watching the Bani channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get notification for my latest videos.